Picture this scenario. You're dashing through the airport, your boarding pass gripped in one hand and a coffee in the other. Adrenaline is pumping through your body. You feel like you have everything secure. After all, you've traveled countless times before. You know the regulations, don't you? Suddenly, an alarm sounds. TSA singles you out. That unassuming water bottle in your bag? It's now a major issue. Welcome to airport security in 2025, where minor oversights can lead to total chaos. Let's dive into the first section, the 311 rule. This crucial rule underpins TSA's liquid guidelines. The stark reality is jarring. Last year, over 130 million travelers tried to sneak bottled water past security. That's 130 million delays, thorough luggage searches, and rising tempers over a simple mistake. It's not about how much liquid you carry. It's about the size of the container. For example, a half-full tube of toothpaste in a 4-ounce container? Denied. Anything that sprays, spills, pumps, or leaks is considered a liquid by TSA. Now let's talk about the bag you need. A clear, quart-sized resealable bag is essential, and it's often forgotten until you reach the checkpoint. TSA needs a clear view of your items. If you forget, your liquids could be swabbed, poked, or scattered openly before everyone waiting in line. Some airports give these bags for free, so take one. Use it not only for liquids, but also for items like soap bars, wet swimwear, or even dirty socks. Planning ahead is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Moving on to the second section. One bag, one chance. This is how to navigate smartly. Many travelers stumble here. Each person can only have one quart-sized liquid bag. If it's too full, the bag will trigger an alarm. TSA will require you to either discard extra items or move them to checked baggage. If your suitcase is already checked, that means saying goodbye to your favorite gel or pricey lotion, causing panic. Lines grow longer, precious time is lost, and one smooth airport experience becomes overwhelming. But here's a valuable insider tip. If you're traveling with a partner or child, share liquid allowances cleverly. If your skincare collection resembles a lab while theirs is minimal, redistribute the load. Utilizing part of their allowance to balance your excess suddenly makes the quart bag restriction more flexible without breaking rules. Ignoring this advice can lead to serious consequences. TSA officers may flag your bag, leading to unnecessary delays and public scrutiny over your carefully packed items, which could end up in the trash. Planning isn't just for convenience, it's vital for your peace of mind and ensuring your flight is on time. Let's discuss exceptions now. Missing medications, children's items, and more can't be lost. Many travelers overlook this aspect. Although TSA's 311 rule does have exceptions, they need to be handled properly. Prescription medications, including liquid forms and syringes, are allowed in larger quantities. Creams for conditions such as eczema or psoriasis are acceptable as long as they remain in their original labeled containers. Over-the-counter products like saline solution, cold medicine, or gels qualify for exceptions as well. However, a single mistake such as having unlabeled containers or incorrect packaging can turn these items into contraband. Parents, be vigilant. Nourishments for infants and children like breast milk, formula, and juice boxes can exceed the 3.4-ounce limit. Ice packs for preservation can also be allowed, but you need to declare them to the checkpoint staff and place them in a screening bin for inspection. The process tends to be quick, but can take longer during busy times. And here's a surprising update for 2025. The temporary allowance for up to 12-ounce hand sanitizer bottles is gone. Now, all sanitizers must fit within 3.4-ounce limits inside your quart bag. One small oversight could trigger a bag inspection for your essential sanitizer. Airport rules can be unpredictable and may vary based on staff or technology, so be prepared for surprises each time you travel. Now let's get serious about completely banned liquids, where no exceptions apply. Some liquids are strictly forbidden no matter what. Toxic substances like pesticides, bleach, or corrosive cleaners are out. Self-defense sprays, including pepper spray, are instantly banned. Flammable items like lighter fluid, propane, or spray paint are also prohibited. High-proof alcohol, anything over 70% ABV like Everclear, is strictly off limits too. Why mention so many? Because nothing's worse than confidently approaching security only to hear, "This is not allowed." TSA officers hold the final say, and even seemingly harmless items can be confiscated. Keep in mind that there are no gray areas here. Misjudging the items can lead to wasted time, confiscated belongings, or severe fines, transforming a straightforward trip into a nightmare. The takeaway? Know before you go. Don't rely on memory or assumptions. Every item in your bag is either a pass or a possible issue. Travel wisely. Check, double-check, and pack defensively. Let's move to your secret weapon, asking TSA in advance. Here's a little-known hack. Simply ask TSA directly before your trip. It's quick, easy, and can save you enormous headaches later. Snap a picture of your item or send an Amazon link through Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, text, or X. A real TSA agent will confirm whether it's allowed. This way, there's no guesswork or last-minute surprises. Want an example? Gel shoe inserts are tricky due to their unspecified gel amount, but they can be cleared after a quick inquiry. Spaghetti, fine, as long as the sauce is mixed in. Medications like Adderall are legal in the US with a prescription, but illegal in places like Japan, even with documentation. International travel rules are just as important as domestic regulations. Think of this check as your pre-flight insurance. One quick inquiry now can prevent hours of stress later. TSA rules are constantly changing and inconsistent, and enforcement varies by airport. By asking ahead, you take command of your travel experience, avoiding unnecessary fines, delays, and confiscations. Traveling in 2025 is challenging, but with these insights, you're no longer just another TSA victim. You are prepared, strategic, and confident. This shift can change everything. Here's the bottom line. Knowing the rules isn't optional, it's essential. Those 3.4-ounce limits, quart-sized bags, prohibited liquids, and ever-evolving exceptions differentiate a smooth airport experience from utter chaos. Now that you have the rules, exceptions, and insider hacks, navigating security becomes easier. Prescription medications covered, kids' necessities managed, tricky gels sorted, and the ultimate tool, directly asking TSA, will help you avoid surprises. By applying these strategies, you'll breeze through security, conserve time, safeguard your belongings, and eliminate the tension that turns a simple flight into a nightmare. Every item in your carry-on can either facilitate or complicate your journey. The choice is yours. Travel smarter, not harder. If you found this video informative, please like it. Subscribe to Travel Tactics for more insider tips and updates that airlines and TSA don't want you to know. Pack intelligently, plan ahead, and ensure every airport experience is smooth, stress-free, and under your control. Your next flight begins now, with knowledge as your strongest tool.